Hi everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and welcome back to Tuscany, a region whose countryside's beauty never ceases to amaze us. Specifically, we are in the Val d'Orcia area, home to one of the most enchanting and perfect landscapes of this region. In this one-of-a-kind setting, we are about to discover together the beauty of a luxurious country estate nestled among these fascinating rolling hills. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. This unique and historical residence sits proudly on a hilltop surveying the diverse Tuscan landscapes. On the south, we can clearly see the summit of Monte Amiata and the lovely hilltop town of Montalcino. The villa is enclosed within 3 hectares of land, part of which made up of lovely olive trees to complete the Tuscan atmosphere. Whilst around the villa, we find some perfectly manicured Mediterranean plants like lavender and rosemary. With a long-standing passion for Italy, the owners bought this villa in 2010 and have recently completed an exceptional restoration, retaining original features and combining the best of Italian craftsmanship with luxurious, timeless furnishings and original artworks collected from all across the world, ultimately giving life to an outstanding home, located undoubtedly in one of the most beautiful regions of the world. The front facade of the villa is characterized by this typical Tuscan style, with these terracotta details and light colors. It was commissioned by the illustrious Chigi family and designed by the renowned Sienese architect Baldassarre Tommaso Peruzzi. The villa has been extended and enhanced over the centuries. Recently, it has undergone a complete restoration, turning it into a contemporary country estate, whilst remaining faithful to the original design. Within the extensive grounds, you can relax and unwind by this magnificent infinity edge 14 by 7 meters swimming pool, with a view on a private lake right below the villa and far-reaching views of Crete Senesi and Val d'Orcia. Adjacent to the pool terrace is this lounge area with comfortable seating and a pergola for those who prefer a bit more shade. The exceptional poolside external kitchen is equipped with everything you could need to prepare a wonderful poolside lunch or a gourmet sunset dinner. Offering panoramic views of the estate's infinity edge swimming pool, the lake and the rolling hills, is right behind me this wonderful fitness center. Before seeing the inside of the main villa, let's quickly talk about this charming guest house right behind me. It is 60 square meters and it is home to a wonderful suite, which also has its own portico. The ground floor of the villa has been designed with entertaining in mind, at the same time giving options to those who prefer to enjoy their personal space in peace and quietness. Through the main hallway is where we find the access to a cozy living room, a bathroom, and an office space with its own wine cellar. The villa has a spacious sitting room with some beautiful French windows and elegant details. It is connected to the dining area and the kitchen, and it also has a gorgeous travertino fireplace, ideal for the colder winter days. The bespoke handmade kitchen and the butler's pantry perfectly complement the soaring ceilings and these unique terracotta columns that dominate the kitchen and dining area. Walking across the courtyard, we find the property's own version of the Piazza del Campo from Siena. which divides the property into two different wings, and it brings us to a lavish entertainment space. The entire building is filled with natural light, with these soaring ceilings, iron windows that go onto the courtyard, and French ones that go onto a wonderful terrace. With these three distinct yet interconnected areas, this is a fantastic party space. Firstly, there is a large sitting and media room completed by a fireplace, with enough comfortable sofa spaces for a large group of friends or for your family. Then there is a one-of-a-kind bar area with a large individually designed travertino noce bar table and a bar unit complete with fridge, wine fridge, and everything you need to make an amazing summer cocktail. And of course, let's not forget about this incredible handmade full-size snooker table or card games table. At the end of the day, whether you've been exploring the local cultural attractions, savoring on typical food or wine, or simply soaking up the sun by the poolside, your luxurious room or suite awaits. The property has 7 wonderful bedrooms, equipped with air conditioning and underfloor heating. Each one also has either its ensuite bathroom with travertine, freestanding bath or shower. Each of these rooms has an individual character inspired by the places the owner has loved and lived. Let me now show you the master bedroom, boasting these high ceilings, wide spaces, and wonderful proportions. On my right, you can see the door that brings us to the ensuite bathroom. Val d'Orcia has been designated World Heritage UNESCO Site. Here, time seems to stand still, and it acts as a wonderful frame for this villa, which I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Ciao.